Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Sentra door handle. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. You will also need your new replacement door handle. Make sure your car is parked securely and you have good lighting. Safety first, so consider wearing gloves and eye protection for this task. To begin, gently pry off the interior door panel using a plastic trim removal tool, starting from the bottom edge. Once loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors, such as those for the window switch. Next, you'll find 2 or 3 screws holding the old handle in place. Remove these. Finally, detach the linkage rods or cables from the handle mechanism, which usually involves a small clip or lever. Now take your new door handle and carefully attach the linkage rods or cables to their corresponding points. Make sure these connections are secure and properly seated. Then, align the new handle with its opening in the door and insert the 2 or 3 screws you removed earlier. Tighten these screws firmly, but do not over-tighten to avoid stripping the threads. Double-check that the handle moves freely. Before fully reassembling, test the new handle's function. Open and close the door from both the inside and outside to ensure it latches correctly. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the door panel, then carefully align and snap the interior door panel back into place. Press firmly around the edges to secure all clips. Finally, confirm that your power windows and door locks are working perfectly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.